In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make anywhere from $100 to $700 a day trading crypto meme coins off of Pump.fun. Now, today I'm going to give you the strategy I use for trading low cap meme coins off Pump.fun to aim for about a 3 to a 5x to turn $100 into 300 into 500. Now, if you're new to Pump.fun, Pump.fun is a platform where thousands of meme coins are made every single day. And this allows us to then be able to trade them after they've gone live. Now, these are very small market cap coins, right? But every day there are coins that go to Dex Screener, which, if you don't know, is where the masses are. This is where the coins can send from 60,000 after they've bonded to millions. In cases for Aura, for example, this is at 51 million. Now, this was a Pump.fun meme coin. If you got in a Pump.fun, you would have made anywhere from 200x to about 500x easy. Now, anyone could have got this, trade this on Pump.fun, and you'd be sitting at 1000x right now, 52 million if you bought in at 500k. So this has allowed people making tens of thousands in just profit. But Pump.fun is giving us an opportunity to trade these coins, right? For example, not all coins will go to 52 million. For example, this coin the other day, Bullx, this one ran from Pump.fun about 30k when I saw it, and it went to 1.1 million, right? So this did about 20x for me, 33x if you held to all-time high. So the opportunities on Pump.fun are very real. There are many coins, however, many coins that will not make it to Dex Screener. Many of these coins will not make it, and they'll just die, right? But I'm going to show you my strategy for trading these coins and also finding these coins, because you have to filter out many of the rubbish coins that are on here, and you'll be able to find, and I'll teach you how to look for those gems. So first of all, I'm going to show you the tool that I use for filtering them out. I use Bullx. Now, Bullx, if you have a Pump Vision tab, right, this allows you to create your own filters, your own way of filtering through many of the bad coins. But not all these coins are actually good coins. I'm going to show you how to filter out of these coins to find those good coins, those good gems. Now, first of all, I like to look at these two tabs mainly. I like to look at the new creations. I like to look at good holders, for example, and good volume. If there's good volume, it shows that there's a lot of activity on the coin, that it has interest, right? The dips are being bought up, adding more volume, but there's also a high amount of holders, right? I also like to look for a decently sized market cap. I don't always like to look at buying under 10k market cap. I like to look to buy around 30k, 20, 30k, because you can still do those 3x's on Pump.fun, right? You can do a 20k to 60k. That's already a 3x, let alone when it reaches Dex Screener. Now, as you can see here, we'll take a look here. We can see smoky, nicotine, smoky, right? It looks like there's a little meta right now. Now, what is a meta? A meta is another word for a trend, right? When a coin does really well or some news comes out, there will be a new trend. For example, smoking chicken fish ran up to 54 million right now. This has led to anything related to smoking doing decently well on Pump.fun, right? We've had another meta with real life news. For example, Donald Trump. When the event happened with him, there was a big meta around Donald Trump coins, right? 10%, about 80%. It was crazy. Now, a lot of coins also on here did 50x's when that meta came out. So it's very important you use these two tabs, right? Now, I like coins that follow narratives. This is anything meta related, I'll pretty much buy it. But there are two ways you can approach this. You can either ape in small amounts into quite a few coins and hope they go up, right? Or you can size up into one or two convicted plays that have good volume, good distribution, as I've said, like good holders, decent volume. For example, this smoky one actually, and look, it's got good volume, right? It's moving pretty decently. It's got some dips, they're natural. But now, after I've seen this, what I'd do is I'd copy the contract address and I'd go onto Pump.fun and I'd join the Telegram. I'd see how the team's going, how they're doing, etc. Right? That's what I do personally. Now, other coins have done really well off Pump.fun, but you will not find these 100x's like Aura every day. So I would say you should aim for like a 3 to a 5x. And once it's on Deck Screener, this is where the second strategy I'll tell you actually can work. If you've got a good size, you can go on to Bullx. You can check Pump Vision. Now this third tab, right, it shows you what has migrated to Radium, what has hit the $70,000 threshold and has gone live on Radium, right? This allows for an opportunity because once it's on Radium, the volume A increases and you can buy into dips because there's usually always a dip on Deck Screener because some of the Pump.fun people sell and then there's a dip on Deck Screener, and if you can catch that dip, I'll show you with this Kamala Harris coin. Look, so it pumped off Radium. Look, here we've got the classic dip. It hit 60k. Now there was this, it was eaten up actually quite quickly. Now this would have been a good entry. You could have entered in around 70k and you'd be sitting right now on about 50% already just off buying a dip on Deck Screener. And the risk here would be relatively low because you've aped in essentially the bottom, and this could give you a 2, maybe 3x, for example, on this coin. Now, this works if you've got maybe a bit more size. You know, aping in with 0.1 or 0.2 isn't going to be very good for buying on Deck Screener, because if you want to ape in 0.1 or 0.2, you want to aim for like a 3, 4x, 5x, maybe more. But if you're aping in with like 1 sol, for example, then it would work better in this case. But this is how if you camp Deck Screener for over 60k market cap, you can actually find on a low trending like time 1 second chart, you can find pretty good opportunities, right? Look, it's already up from 670k. I think this one actually could push. We don't know yet, but that's the thing. This isn't financial advice. I'm just showing you how I do it. So you never know. It's very risky in some cases, but you can, if you look for the right things, you can mitigate this risk quite easily. Now, I would ape in with a bigger amount than I would for method 1, which is aping into a lot of coins or aping into 1 or 2 coins, because if you can buy this dip early and you ape in pretty big, you can make a big profit just off a 70% increase. So look, right now it's almost a 2x. Right now it's about a 2x already. But this is what I use. The main thing you need to have is Bullx. You can't trade these off Pump. You can trade these off Pump.fun, but trading on here would be very slow, and you're gonna get a bad entry. And the slippage, the max you can set is 25%, right? On Bullx, you're able to first of all trade them, but you're able to see the metrics you can't see on Pump.fun, right? You can't get this access to all this numerical data on Pump.fun. Like, where can you see the holder count or the volume count on Pump.fun? You just can't. If you have Bullx, you can see it on a 1 second chart rather than a 1 minute chart. So this is why I'd recommend Bullx. Now, to sign up for Bullx, I've got a referral link in the description. So if you want to sign up, make sure to use that. It helps the channel out a lot. So I hope this video has been good. Join the Telegram in the description if you have any questions for me, and speak directly to me. And also remember, stay safe out there and stay vibing.